Hey everyone! Are you ready for a dessert that tastes incredible but takes almost no effort? Today, we're making a classic no-bake Eclair cake. It's perfect for busy parents, beginner bakers, or anyone who loves a quick, delicious treat. You'll need a box of graham crackers, 2 packages of instant vanilla pudding mix, and 4 cups of cold milk. Don't forget an 8-ounce tub of whipped topping, thawed. For the topping, grab a can of chocolate frosting. That's it. First, whisk together the pudding mixes and cold milk in a large bowl until thickened. This usually takes about 2 minutes. Once it's ready, gently fold in half of your thawed whipped topping. This makes the filling extra light and creamy. Now, arrange a single layer of graham crackers in the bottom of a 9x13-inch baking dish. Spread half of your pudding mixture evenly over the crackers. Add another layer of graham crackers on top of the pudding. Next, spread the remaining pudding mixture over this second cracker layer. Finish with a final layer of graham crackers. Now, spread the rest of your whipped topping over the top. For the chocolate topping, you can gently warm your can of chocolate frosting in the microwave for about 30 seconds. This makes it easier to spread. Pour or spread the warmed frosting evenly over the whipped topping layer. Cover your Eclair cake and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This allows the graham crackers to soften and absorb all those delicious flavors. Slice it up and enjoy this amazing, effortless dessert.